G'day campers, Justin the Wayward Aussie. I want to give you a look at the Peregrine 270 awning and a new Deluxe walls. So if you've had the 270 before or you're looking at 270 style awnings, we just released our wall with this big screen section. So it's less about the screen and more about the airflow, because obviously it's not going to stop all the bugs, but it means you've got the airflow coming and going, and then you can roll it down at night, pack it up nice and tight. So this is called wall 1. So in our Peregrine series you have wall 1 and wall 2. Wall 1 goes around the corner, and for you guys playing at home, you'll notice we've got the doorway actually staked up. We grabbed an extra set of poles, an extra set of guy ropes, and we propped it up, and we gave ourselves an extra 75 or 78 inches of shade space. So we used what we already had from the awning, and then we added some extra to it just by an extra couple of poles and wall 1 kit. So if you want to see some more about that, check that out at 230.com. So I want to show you something about the Peregrine 270 while we're standing underneath it that really does make it different. Now, the Peregrine 270 comes with the LST fabric, so already it's fairly hot, but we're still fairly cool underneath, so it adds the level of shade, so it stops UVA and UVB light coming through it. But the part that I really want to show you is this part. So what we've done is used a cast aluminum mold for the actual hinge part. It's got a case-hardened bolt, a brass washer, top and bottom, so we're talking some pretty good quality stuff. But by creating this as a cast mold and then inserting it into the arm itself, that means we can quality control just this piece. So we can get something that's fairly strong and it's not going to catch the wind first go and just snap off in a heartbeat. They are replaceable, but again, being cast aluminum, man, you've got to hit them pretty hard to actually break them off. So there's some things that make our Peregrine 270 awning different to all others.